Hi, Betsy. It's Steven. I just wanted to follow up with the email you had sent earlier this week about the inconsistency with Web of Science citation reports. So starting off, I was going to do a search for Dr. Abacoff in the basic search for Web of Science. And when I run that search, here's what I get. 138 results. Now, based on the email you described clicking on an article and then clicking on the author's name to get the citation report. So when I click on Dr. Abacoff's name here, where it's Abacoff, HB, I get different results. I get fewer results. I get 49 results as opposed to the 138 that I got when I searched Abacoff, H. And you'll see when I look at the citation report, his H index in this case is only 31. The reason for that difference, though, is because when I search Abacoff H, and you'll find this out when you see the results and scroll down to the author's side here, not only does it list Abacoff H, but it has variations of Dr. Abacoff's name, including Abacoff HB, which only yielded 49 results. So what it does, what Web of Science tries to do when you run an initial search, when it's something as basic as the last name and the first initial of the first name, it tries to find all the different variations in which that name is shown in articles in Web of Science. This is really for consistency's sake, to really kind of capture the full universe in which Dr. Abacoff or any author is published under, their name in which they're published under. So in this case, out of the first 100 authors, these are all the different variations that are shown. And by variations, I also mean the number of times these authors appear as they appear in these publications. So we have, when I refine the results, it should yield the same number of 138, which is to say all those different variations of Dr. Abacoff's name are in all 138 of those articles in some way, shape, or form. So now when I look at create a citation report, it's going to pull a report based on those 138 articles, and you'll see that the number of times cited is higher and the H index is higher. So that probably explains some of the inconsistency with Web of Science when following the steps that you were taking.